Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I am here to share with you this anti-nausea inhaler. So this is made with Himalayan salt and essential oils, and it essentially, you're just gonna kind of sniff this. So I'm gonna show you what I would do. So I took the cap off, and on top there's a little airway, and you just kind of like, smell it. So it's minty, it's salty, a little gingery. This is really gonna do what you need it to do if you're getting motion sickness. I personally was on an RV and I've been using this, and it's just refreshing. It's a refreshing scent. It helps with any nausea. Something about the salt I think really helps also. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you it real fast. So the holes are on the side there and the top, and all you'd have to do is twist it on and off, which I like, especially if you're in a car setting, because it's just easier to keep the cap on. Sometimes it falls off all the time, but you just use this, you put it up your nose and you smell. Honestly, I think the salt has a lot to do with what helps with the nausea, and also peppermint is a big deal and ginger is a big deal. This whole stick is a little lifesaver. So I highly recommend this inhaler, but that's just my point of view.